Good morning, teachers and students. This is Bryson Ephraim coming to you from Bulldog Bites headquarters. Today we will be creating a tutorial on finding the LCM. We hope this helps.
So we're going to be finding the least common multiple of 12 and 8, and we're doing our work on a Rocketbook Everlast today. It's a great notebook. Highly recommend it.
It's a must-have. You gotta get it.
Yeah. So the first thing you want to do, we're going to write out our numbers, two separate areas, get the work set up. And what you're going to want to do, you want to write the 10 first multiples of each number. So start with 12, you got 12, 24, then 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, and 120. Then you want to do the same thing for 18. So we have 18, 36, 54, 72, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162, and 180. Now, the reason we have so many multiples is just so we can get an idea of where all of them are. Like, we never know, maybe the least common multiples is like the 13th multiple, but we don't know, so we just want to be safe. Then you're going to circle each multiple that they have in common. So they both have a 36, both have a 72, they both have a 108, and that's it. So out of these common multiples, you want to find which one is the smallest number. So you're going to put a box around it, and that's going to be 36 in our case. So the least common multiple of 12 and 18 is 36.
That about wraps up today's session. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you are having any issues with your subject, topic, or homework, please fill out a request ticket in the link of our description, and we will be happy to make you a custom YouTube video. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.